All right, this one comes in from CTR. This is a tire repair kit, and we'll open up that really nice box, and you can see you have all of the tools that you need for tire repair inside of there, nice and neat, plus some gloves that you could put on. They might be a little bit small for some hands, but they will keep your hands from getting greasy. It comes with the T-handle spiral probe tool, the T-handle insert tool. You also have a lubricant, 4 standard valve cores, 4 screwdriver type of valves, and 4 valve caps. Plus you have 40 repair cords, a retractable cutter knife, 2 L-shaped hex keys, 4 extension valves, a 4-way valve core tool, pliers, and a tire pressure gauge. So that's everything that you need to repair tires on the go, and they are quality made. Like, they are heavy duty. They are ready to get those tires and fix them, and you could be the hero of your family or neighborhood or friends because you can show up and repair their tires for them if they get a puncture. So I love how it's all laid out nice and neat, so you know where everything is, and you have it in this nice, strong, hard case. So really cool and high quality product from CTR. I highly recommend this for every car. Have this in your car, just have it. And thanks for watching.